Welcome back to my video. This video is about my experience with my kitchen, my first rental unit kitchen. Before I started my foundation, there was this gentleman that does cabinet work. I saw some of his work and I liked it, so I told him when I'm ready to do my kitchen and my bathroom, I would contact him. So I got his information, held on to it for a long time because it took me a while to get to this point. Finally contacted him and I called him to measure up the kitchen and give me an estimate. I gave him a deposit. It took him a long time to get back to me. I called him over and over. Every day I called him. Anyway, he finally brought something to me. He installed it. At the time when he was installed it, I was in Florida. I was not in Jamaica at the time, so I wasn't able to see exactly what he brought, but I heard it wasn't good. Anyway, when I went to Jamaica, I saw it. The drawers, they didn't have no runners, so they was like wishy-washy. It looks like he got a bunch of scrap wood and put it together. It was really tacky. I mean, the front part looks okay, but there's no hardware. There was nothing. It was tacky. I was disappointed. So I end up taking it out. I originally had the window longer than it is right now, but I had to raise the window because of the backsplash. It wouldn't work. I ended up doing a concrete countertop and I got someone else to make me another cabinet. So I got one of my masons to do a concrete countertop for me. It took more than 2 weeks, so I wasn't able to stay in Jamaica and oversee the work. But anyway, it turned out okay. This is the slab for the water pump, and this is the water pump. I have a 1,000 gallon tank sitting on top of the roof, gravity feed back to the house. This pump is a sprinkler pump which I brought to Jamaica on the plane. It actually destroyed my suitcase, but it was well worth it. This pump don't play. I believe it's a 2.5 horsepower. All this work took a little while to be done. I had to call the carpenter to fix the cabinet while I was away. I gave him a deposit to start and work on it. So it should be coming shortly. By doing that, I got everything done within 2 weeks. Because the cabinet was being made while I was still in the United States. So I finally got my guy to come by and tile the countertop. That's what he's working on right here. All this work was done within 2 weeks. This is my bathroom. It's done and it's complete. I am happy. The bathroom was smooth sailing. It was as nerve-wracking as the kitchen. I had a little problem with my plumber. I guess, I don't know why, how could he make a mistake like that? When he first connected the pipe, I guess some debris got in it and water flow was real low. I basically had to take his tool and fix it myself because I was trying to explain to him what happened. But I think that happened, which he's a plumber, but I had to take his tool, pull the pipe off, change them around because I was having a problem with the hot water heater. The hot water heater I have, it works off of pressure. So if it doesn't have a certain pressure, it won't come on. And by the restriction of the water, it wasn't working. So basically when I switched the pipe around, I noticed it was working. I'm like, okay then, alright. Some debris is inside the line. So I had him come back and pull it out and clean it out and the cabinet up top is from the original carpenter. It's not the best, but it would have to do for now. I'm going to change them eventually. I did not change them because I wanted to get the place done and rent it out. And I was working on a time limit. So I finally got the plumber to come by, hook up the pipes. The electrician came by, hook up the hot water heater, and everything is working. This hot water heater cost me around $15,000. I bought it from True Value in Kingston. I like it. It takes up no space. The hot water is instant. It's a little tricky to program, but it's not that complicated. Once you have your water pressure right, you shouldn't have any problem with this machine. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you like the bathroom. You know, let me know if you guys like the kitchen. I just want to hear from you guys. Let me know what's going on. Let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. It means a lot to me and it helps my channel grow. Anyway, guys, thank you. What's